Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. It's nighttime here, so working against the shadows, but I wanted to share this with you, and I will have a doll of the day, but first I need to open up this package of Happy Mail from another YouTube creator named The Dainty Seamstress. So this gal is an amazing seamstress, super talented. She's a doll collector, of course, as well, and she had a giveaway a while back on her channel, and she had all these really cute outfits she was making that for Blythe dolls that were themed around desserts. So as part of the giveaway, I was awarded a super cute outfit made by her, and I got to pick the theme, which was dessert related. And the theme I picked was coconut. I love anything coconut when it comes to desserts. Coconut cake, coconut cream pie, coconut macaroons, almond joys, you name it. So she made me a coconut-themed Blythe doll outfit. Once I see what's in here, then I'll pick a doll and put it on the doll, and that will be the doll of the day. So let's open her up. All right, we got some pretty sparkly paper here. Oh, such pretty wrapping. Oh, look at the little bunnies. Aw. Oh, I love buns. Love bunny rabbits. Okay. So this is a little card from the creator, the YouTube creator, the Dainty Seamstress. Her name's Ina, and she just sent me a little personal note. I won't share it on here, but she wrote a little personal note in here. And oh, yummy. Irresistible smooth peppermint white chocolate truffles. Yummo. I will be eating those, that is for sure. And here's her little card. And some stickers. Let's see, cool. Let me get this out of here. Come on, fingers, please work for me. Come on, fingers. All right. All right, we have this cute little skeleton guy. That's a Tim Burton doohickey. Neat. Oh, how fun. And then there she is. Ina Powell is her name. Interesting. My last name's Powley. So that's her card for the Dainty Seamstress. I'll have an @ sign down below for you to go check out her channel. And is this a little, oh, look at this little coconut cake she made. Look how adorable that is. God, that looks super real. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so obviously I will take it out of the packaging and show you guys with the doll once I... Look at this. Oh my... Look at that hat. Is that a little beret? Oh, I love berets. All right, let me get this out of here. Beautiful packaging and presentation. She is such a talented artist. I wish I had half of her sewing chops, folks. Oh, this is so soft. And it's lined. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put this on a Blythe doll. Look at that. And it's really cold out right now in Florida. That's why there's like no sun. So it's perfect timing. And this is like a little jacket. Yeah, it's got a little hook and eye. Here, I think this pulls, yeah. Okay, so the little dress pulls out, and there's some little flower detail. It's satin and lined. Oh, goodness. And then this little jacket, look at this. This is crazy soft, folks, crazy soft. Look at this. Oh my gosh, girl. Thank you so, so much, Ina. All right, and you guys stay here for a minute. I'm going to go get a dolly and hopefully some better lighting. And we'll get a doll all dressed up and showing off her new outfit. All right, guys, you are going to love this outfit on this doll. So I decided to pick out Asha Elvira. She is a January 2019 release, and she looks amazing in this. Look at this. Look how cute she is. Her earrings are actually for Elwyn Wild, but I thought they would be a perfect little match for this cute little fuzzy outfit. And over here, she is getting ready to have a little bit of tea and a slice of coconut cake. So over on the left, I have a photograph of her from the app, so you can kind of see her a little bit more. But I thought this outfit was just perfect for her because she has a beautiful skin tone. All right. So let me tell you a little bit more about this dolly. Her faceplate is RBL Plus, and her skin tone, like I said, is amazing. It's called mocha. So it's pretty dark. It's a pretty dark skin tone. And she has a pretty strong face up, but I think it looks really good with this color of skin that she has. She has pink blush and a dark brown eyeshadow. I'll pick her up here in a minute and we'll take a look at her. I'll change out her eyes. And her lips are a plump shape of pink. So they're not the overdrawn ones that they're doing these days. She was made by Takara. She's not a Good Smile Company doll because back then when she came out, at that time period, it was Takara making these dolls, manufacturing these dolls. But her eye chips are left green, orange front, light brown, special, and the blue front. So I got them on the blue. Supposedly these aren't special chips, only the light brown ones are on the right, but I think they're gorgeous on her. I just thought that they kind of popped with all of the white and everything. So yeah, let me flip her over here and we'll take a look at her eye chips. I took out her earrings while I do this because they would just fall out. But here are her blue chips. You can see her brown eyeshadow. Side green. I use these a lot on her. I think they're really pretty. And then the orange, which, you know, why do you do this? And then the side brown. She is just a gorgeous doll. I really like this doll because she has, there's such a good contrast between her skin tone and her light color of hair. There you go. And just to give you some more information on her, she actually has, like I showed you, she's got pierced ears, and she came with some purple, they look like rhinestone, you know, like amethyst colored big earrings. And I think she has a manicure. She was not considered a special release, but like I said, she has one pair of these brown eye chips that are considered special. And she has quite a few additional items on her that not all normal releases typically have. Her stock, which I have here someplace, was also different because a lot of times they come in dresses, but she was one of the few to come with, pants. So this was her original rendering. She has a coat. The coat is so-so. It's kind of thick and awkward a little bit, I find, to use. This is her outfit. Very cute pants. The pants tie in the front. The top is really adorable. And then she's got the jacket or the coat with the sunglasses and the purse there, little tote bag and shoes. So she had different stock. She had unusual stock. I feel like, you know, she's supposed to be this uptown girl. And she's just, I reach for her a lot when I'm doing collaborations or just dressing up the dolls. She's almost always out of the curio and modeling something because she is such a cutie patooties. Here's another look at her hair from the back. You can see she has a lot of it. It's called light or bright blonde. And it's, you know, I feel like it's sort of on the, almost like a platinum blonde, depending on how the light hits it. When I'm looking at it now in person, it's more platinum blonde. On this camera, it's got more of a yellow tint to it. I think that's probably because of my lighting. And it's parted in the middle, so she doesn't have any bangs, which is really nice. Again, that's a little bit different. So many of them have bangs or fringe, as some people call them. But her hair is a really nice thickness, not too long, or not too thick, but not too thin. I think it's a little longer than I would typically like it to be. Normally, like about here is my preference for these dolls. One last look, guys, before she eats her piece of cake here. She's got her green eye chips on. Again, a big shout out to the Dainty Seamstress over on YouTube for sending me this adorable little outfit and accessories too, little props. How cute are those? As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.